Hi and welcome to the trade of the day for the 27th of January. My name's Tom. I'm a senior trader here at Trend Signal, an analyst. And I want to go through two positions actually. We'll focus on the first one, and then I want to do a brief update on gold, which I covered a couple of days ago. So we're looking on the accelerator strategy. It's looking at trading for 20 minutes a day, mostly on the currency markets. And we have this recent buy trade on the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. Some very interesting things happening in Japan, and a big part of this reversal is due to the US looking at potentially intervening in that currency. But I'll leave that for all the nerds out there. We'll talk about what the trade itself did. The way that we find trades in this market is we look for these sniper discs. Now, at the most simple level, as long as your stop loss is more than 40 and you have a sniper disc, it means that you can take the trade. There's a little bit more we can do, though, to see exactly how strong we expect this opportunity to be in practice. But let's take it from the beginner level first. You find the sniper disc, you click on it, Trade Mate tool on the left-hand side automatically generates a stake per pip, a stop size, and a take profit limit. In this case, if you want to do no further analysis, 56.6 is bigger than 40, so we can take it. We have a starter target of 30 pips. Now, this means we have a lower than 1-to-1 reward to risk, but it does mean that it's going to be a quite high probability chance that you take this trade successfully. And indeed you did. You closed the trade within 1 day of opening the position. Now, 30 pips, look, a pound per pip beginner account, it's about 30 quid in your back pocket for just doing 20 minutes of work in the evening. It can get a lot more exciting than this, though. If you look for the additional factors, and I'll go through them quickly, in this case, vector average, this green to red line that snakes through the chart, telling us that short-term momentum is coming in our favor as we turn from red to green. Trend signal line doing the exact same thing from red to green. Intermediate band, blue, supporting the bullish motion. We have the weekly trend and the monthly trend working in our favor as well. So it's pretty much a sure bet to go for the extended target, and actually it closed at the same time in the first day of movement, which is a little bit closer to a 1-to-1. Those of you who are paying a little bit more attention, though, and happy to manage these trades, there was a maximum potential take that you got out of this opportunity, and it was 249.2 pips. Now, it's only a couple more days of trading. It's only a little bit of extra work. But look, trading that at a pound per pip, it's 249 quid. By the time you're trading an intermediate account, £3 per pip, it's £747 for essentially 3 days worth of work. It actually closed on the third day, so less than that. The trick is really timing the exit, because you never know when the top of the market is going to come. We teach a lot of this in our workshops, which I'll invite you to at the end of this session. But I mentioned I'd talk quickly about gold, and I didn't want to do a whole video on this just because we covered this gold trade a little bit earlier before we got through the most recent breakthrough point. But gold has now finally passed over 5k, mostly in fears of what's happening with the United States and I suppose the rules-based international order. Regardless what you think of Trump, it's certainly shaking up the markets and has led to this pretty much parabolic run on gold we've seen since the start of 2025 when Donald Trump came into office. And in this particular case, we do the same process. Now, start a target of 30 pips. It's basically a non-taker here because you're already risking about 1,278 pips. But luckily, we don't need to take that. Sniper disc, intermediate trend, vector average turnover, trend signal line turnover, weekly trend, monthly trend charting pattern. You basically don't get a better opportunity in the market than this. Now, if you're just going again for that kind of put it on and check on it, but not do too much work, extended target, 1,917 pips. We just hit just after a week's worth of trading. I think this is where I last did an update on this. But since then, if you are managing it, it's gone from strength to strength and so far past 6,193 pips. And look, using the same kind of account size as we were talking about earlier, if you're trading at a pound per pip, that's over 6 grand. I mean, if you're trading at £3 per pip, you're looking at the best part of 18 grand, although that does require a fairly large account to trade at that size on gold. If you fancy learning more about how we trade these markets, and yes, the boring stuff, the risk management and so on, but also fancy seeing us trade this live and ask questions the entire way through and take some opportunities for yourself, then we'll be doing a live trading session tonight at 7 o'clock. There'll be a link around this video. Click on it, come in, learn how to trade the markets, and hopefully you can take some positions like these ones. I'll hopefully see you there. Bye-bye.